Hi, Ross Matusalam here in the Academy for Teaching and Learning Excellence at the University of South Florida. In this video, I'm going to show you how to present videos from Atomic Learning in Canvas. So Atomic Learning is a service that provides a lot of very brief instructional videos on all sorts of topics that might be useful to your students depending on your needs. Let's just take a quick look at Atomic Learning so you know what we're talking about. I'm here at the My USF page logged in. If I go to Learning and Teaching Tools and down to Software Tutorials, we'll be taken to the Atomic Learning page. So here we're at Atomic Learning. Up here in the links at the top, you'll find one for Search. And we can search there a collection of videos. Let's say I'm teaching a class where students will be doing some basic data analysis in Excel, and I want to provide them with some instruction through Canvas on a few of the features and functions in Excel. I can search for Excel videos and find a number of series of videos. So each of these on the left here are groups of videos on various topics related to Excel. You can see we have one series on Excel 2016 that has about 50 videos totaling nearly 2 hours of content. Let's click into there and see what we have. So we can see here a number of different groups within this series. Let's say I want to present my students with some videos on how to format data tables in Excel. Here's 7 videos on those topics. I could go ahead and click any of these links to preview the videos, and once I decide that I want my students to watch them, the issue is getting those videos into Excel so that students can find them where they find the rest of my course content. So let's jump on over to Canvas and see how we do that. So here I am in a fake Canvas course, my Canvas sandbox, and here I'm going to show you 3 ways of getting those Excel videos from Atomic Learning into Canvas. The first is using the modules format, so it's a very popular format for collecting information in Canvas. So here I'll click on modules. You can see I have a couple modules sitting here. Module 2 is empty. Let's put those videos here in module 2. So to do that, I'll go over to this plus to add content, and under this drop down I will go to External Tool. So once I do that, you can see a list of many external tools we can drop into our modules. At the very top of the list is Atomic Learning. So click Atomic Learning and Add Item. So now we have an Atomic Learning element in our module, but we need to tell it which videos to present to our students. I'll click the Atomic Learning link here, and you can see it brings up the Atomic Learning search that we saw before. So I'll type in Excel again. We'll go to Excel 2016. And down here we can see the Format Your Table videos that we saw before. I'll click this checkbox that will select all of them, and then Preview Selections. Now we have links to all of these videos. We could actually click these links to once again view the videos if we like, and when we're ready, click Submit. So we see now our submission is successful, and we can click this link in the green to go back to the course. So now we're back at the modules page, and this module will contain our videos. So when students actually go to this page in the module, they will see this list and be able to click each of these links to view the videos that we want them to watch. And actually later, if we decide that, let's say we want to get rid of the label data video, we could just edit our playlist and drop that video out. Go back through the same process of previewing and submitting. Head back to our course, and now that video is no longer in the list of videos that students need to watch. Now a couple things you'll want to do. You'll probably want to give this a more informative title so that students know what they'll be doing in this. So we're going to go to Edit, and then I'll put Excel videos. And of course we want to publish it to make sure our students can actually find it. Okay, so that's placing Atomic videos into a module. Now imagine instead that you want to assign these videos for a grade. In that case, you'd want to use the Assignments feature in Canvas. So let's see how we can actually drop Atomic Learning videos into an assignment. So I'll go up to our navigation here on the left and click Assignments, and create a new assignment here by clicking the green plus. We'll give it a name, call it Excel videos. As we did before, I could type a description in here if I like, specify the points and assignment group and all of these other things. Now, importantly, we want to look under Submission Type, and once again, specify External Tool of these choices that we have here. Then I'll click Find, and we see this list we were seeing in the modules. We'll click Atomic Learning and select. Now we could assign it to people, specify the due date, and so forth. I'm going to go ahead and just click Save for now. And you'll see that when I save that, it takes us once again to the search for Atomic Learning. So I'll type Excel in again and go find those videos that we want our students to watch. So I'll select the Format Your Table videos, and we will preview the selections, just as we did with the modules. So now I've went through that same process we saw before, and now we have the Excel videos assignment worth 10 points. And we can publish that assignment and share it with our students however we prefer to share assignments with them. So now I'm going to show you one more way to place Atomic Learning videos in Excel, and this one's a little bit different than we've seen with the modules and assignments. And this uses the Pages feature in in Canvas, if you like to use this. So I'll click on Pages, and then we will create a new page by clicking View Pages and then clicking the green plus. So here, I can give it a title, Excel videos once again. And now here we have kind of the editor where we could place any of the content that we like. And this is where we're actually going to place the links for our Atomic Learning videos. But to get those links, we actually need to go back to the Atomic Learning page. So let's go back up to that tab that I kept open. Now here we have the Format Your Table videos that we want to share. You'll want to go up to the top of the list to this place that says Easy Links, and this is where you can get the links to share with your students. So what you'll do is go down in this list, we'll find our Format Your Table videos, and then we will preview the Easy Links. So now we have hyperlinks that will go to each of these videos already selected for us, so I'm going to right-click, copy, and then go back to my page and just paste them right in. Now if I save this page, you can see now we have the title, Excel Videos, and all of these clickable links that will take the students to the videos that we want them to watch. And of course, as usual, we will want to publish our page so that students can find it. So there you have it, 3 different ways of getting Atomic Learning videos into Canvas. If you'd like any help with this, feel free to contact us at the Academy for Teaching and Learning Excellence.